Hello and welcome once again and आज का जो tutorial है वो it's going to be a very quick tutorial on how to do smoky eye makeup लेकिन मैं बहुत कम चीज़ इस्तेमाल करूँगी सिर्फ ये एक black eye pencil है जो कि है Diana ka, which is the perfect star eyeliner, which is just the plain black, which is also available in any local store, Diana of London. और ये जो हैं दो brushes हैं, एक थोड़ा सा flat brush है, like this is actually a BH Cosmetics number 5, और ये एक है BH Cosmetics का number 3, like a rounded brush. Okay, so got a phone call coming, and I'm going to use just any regular palette. इस किस्म का मेरे पास एक palette है जो मैंने किसी local store से लिया था, and इसके अंदर जो ये इस किस्म के जो ये tones हैं of the warmer colors, I'm going to use that. So let me quickly start. आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि मैंने सुबह से जो है वो एक्चुअली ये हल्का सा eyeliner ये पेंसिल वाला लगाया था, which was this only, and I only have applied mascara. So nothing really, this is just a very simple black eye pencil, which again I am going to मैं इसी eye pencil को जो है वो फिर से black eye pencil को मैं again along the upper line मैं उसको थोड़ा सा और enhance कर रही हूँ, ठीक है, and I am going to take it out from the corner of my eye, take it upwards towards my eyebrow, ठीक है, and then make like a triangle like this and fill this corner, ठीक है. Now, what is very important कि जब आप स्मोकी मेकअप करते हैं, so it is very important कि आप अपने अंडर आई एरिया को यहाँ से कनेक्ट करें, okay? So, I'm connecting this area to this triangle that I have made, ठीक है? So, keeping it a bit pointy. And bringing it like this, ठीक है. Now, ये जो flat brush है इस किस्म का, ये मैं इस्तेमाल करूंगी to blend out without any shade on it, okay? इसको मैं इस्तेमाल करूंगी to blend the black. Stretch your eye out so that you know it blends really well, ठीक है. Just take it up like this and take it inwards like this along your crease. Okay. And just keep blending it out softly. मैं सिर्फ brush इस्तेमाल कर रही हूँ and I'm not using any shadow on it, okay? और ये इस ब्रश के ऊपर जो है वो पहले का जो है वो eyeliner या कुछ ना कुछ shadow का deposit already हुआ हुआ है, so that's why it's kind of giving a bit of a color as well, but of course the black is also blending out. So I have gone all along my crease from here till here, ठीक है, which is not so visible, okay? So you can see now clearly that this eye is a lot more smoky enhanced than this eye. और अब ये round brush लेके I'm going to take this kind of a coppery kind of a tone. These two I'm mixing, ठीक है. And this round brush is very important for your crease, okay? इसको जो है वो मैं above the black, I'm just going to lightly start blending it inwards and circular motions. मैंने लिड के ऊपर जो है वो अभी कुछ भी नहीं लगाया है. On this portion I have not applied anything. Okay. So I'm blending it on my inner corner. Okay. And taking it outward in a rounded way. And blending it with the black. And blending it with the lower line. And taking it out towards my eyebrow. Okay, थोड़ा सा यहाँ से इसको blend करना है. And again with this, blend out the black a bit more.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes,
So just clean off the edges.
love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try
And there you have it. If you want, थोड़ा सा जो है वो अंडर आई को और enhance करें. जब ये corner जो है वो enhance होता है, this corner, it makes your eye look really big. And that's what, you know, generally we want from our makeup. कि हमारी आँखें जो है वो बड़ी लगें. और अब इसी पेंसिल को जो है वो I can put it in my waterline because this is a waterproof pencil.
seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow?
And on my upper waterline as well.
Babylon, love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong, strong.
और अगर मेरा दिल चाह रहा है, then I can use like any kind of either a liquid glitter or anything which I can apply at the end. Like this is a liquid glitter. इसको मैं हल्का सा lid के ऊपर थोड़ा सा, तो मेरा दिल चाह रहा है, I can just apply a little bit of glitter. And that's it. That gives me my smoky eye, and of course, lots of mascara. So here I'm using the Dermacol Devil-Ash mascara.
But I'll try and to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you. Loved by you.
So here is your smoky eye, and this is your plain, simple black eyeliner.